Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Kombi is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the Transporter. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will notice two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the vehicle again, you will notice that this vehicle is fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. Both the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this vehicle are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the Kombi on a busy road or for cold winter months. You'll also notice twin sliding manual doors. It's also fitted with privacy glass with side opening windows for extra ventilation. Moving into the second row seats, you will notice three comfortable seats with Isofix anchorage points across all the seats. This is ideal for the correct child seat. As we look up, you will notice the side ventilation window for the rear passengers. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice a tailgate with a heated rear window and rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This Transporter is also fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also see a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the tailgate. Moving into the rear load area, you will see there's plenty of space. On both sides, you will see the factory fitted panels. If you wanted to add more space to the back of the Kombi, you could take out the rear row seats. You could also push the seat backs forward. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. This vehicle is painted in Indium grey, which is a metallic paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice 5 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Both the driver and passenger seats have armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Kombi has covered 26,637 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, I'd like to show you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which you'll find here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports down here with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze for maps and my downloaded music app. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this Kombi is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. The next switch across is the 6-speed fan motor. The next switch across is for the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate Kombi, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the vehicle. When talking to the salesperson, you could book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.